Hello. You must have seen, you must have observed somewhere, either in the newspaper or in the TV or in practical life also, you must have seen the malpractices done from the business organization or the exploitation initiated from the business organization. You must have seen such kind of cases. Now, here question arises that what is the end of this exploitation, these malpractices? ये जो बिजनेसमैन का माल प्रैक्टिसेस चल रहा है, लोग जो एक्सप्लॉइटेशन कर रहे हैं कंज्यूमर्स का, इनका दी एंड क्या है? व्हाट इज द दी एंड? हाउ टू एंड दिस issues, these malpractices, these exploitations? So here we are having some ways, some means through which we can de-end the exploitation or malpractices initiated from the business organization. So let us see means and ways of consumer protection. Point number one, it is Lok Adalat. Yes, Lok Adalat, it is also known as People's Court. That means here some group of people sitting together, those people could be some officers. Okay, ये जो लोग साथ में बैठते हैं, they could be some big officers. They sit together to solve the disputes between consumer and business organization. One consumer may have dispute. Suppose अगर goods में कुछ defect निकल गया, कुछ fault निकल गया, and the businessman is not ready to replace the goods. This case goes in dispute. So such kind of disputes are solved by Lok Adalat through compromise. Okay, in Lok Adalat, disputes between business organization and consumers are solved through compromise. That's why this is known as Lok Adalat. Resolutions of Lok Adalat is normally approved in all government authorities, in all government department. हर कोई इसका जो डिसीजन रहता है, हर कोई एक्सेप्ट करेगा. Nobody can avoid the decision taken by Lok Adalat. It is accepted by government authorities also. Okay, so this is Lok Adalat. Let's see next point. Public interest litigation, that is Jan Hit Yachika. Under this, any person can file a complaint against some business organization if they are doing something wrong in the society. This is a legal action initiated by any consumer. Any consumer can initiate this legal action against a business organization in the court of law. For example, there is a problem between one business organization and the consumer. Or for example, one business organization is there, they are conducting their business illegally. They are conducting their business in wrong ways. Okay, in this case, if any person comes to know such information about that business organization, that person can file a case in the court of law under public interest litigation. Okay, so from the next time, whenever you see business organization doing something wrong with others, you too can file a complaint in the court of law without any charge. बिकॉज ये पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन ये ओपन है सबके लिए. कोई भी कंज्यूमर्स कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम देख रहा है सोसाइटी में, वो इमीडिएटली कोर्ट में जाकर कंप्लेन कर सकता है पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन के अंडर में. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, अंडर कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 2019, a system has been set up by government of India to deal with consumers grievances, consumers complaint, and that system works at district level and then state level and then national level. That is district commission, state commission and national commission. These are like our normal courts: district commission, state commission, National Commission, these are consumer courts. Here consumers related problems are solved and here normal civilian related problems are solved. So कोई भी consumers को कुछ भी problem है against any business organization, they can appeal to the consumer court. Consumer court is also known as consumers forum. Our next point is awareness program. To increase the awareness level of the consumers, government has initiated several awareness program because in India many people are not aware about their rights, about their responsibilities. They are not aware because many people in India, they are illiterate, right? So because of that, government has initiated several measures, several programs to make the people aware. You just look at this video, you would come to know regarding awareness program. Okay, let's play this video.
आप अपनी पूरी फैमिली के साथ हमें चेयर करते हैं और आज मैं आपकी पूरी फैमिली से ही बात करने आया हूँ। टीम इंडिया का हिस्सा होना एक बहुत गर्व की बात है, पर आज एक उससे भी बड़ी टीम बनने जा रही है, टीम मास्क फोर्स। नहीं समझे?
जैसे हमारे प्रधानमंत्री ने कोरोना वायरस से लड़ने के लिए तरह तरह के टास्क फोर्स बनाए हैं,
उसी तरह हम 130 करोड़ हिंदुस्तानियों को भी अपने घरों में कोरोना वायरस के खिलाफ बनानी है एक मास्क फोर्स।
मास्क फोर्स का हिस्सा बनना बहुत ही आसान है। बस घर बैठे बैठे अपने लिए एक मास्क बनाइए, जैसे मैंने ये बनाया है। फौजी आपका मास्क कहाँ है?
ये देख, मैंने ये बनाया है।
ये है मेरा मास्क।
और घर के बाहर इस मास्क को हमेशा पहनना है।
Okay, now you must have understood what is awareness program. This was an public awareness program. This advertisement is done by government of India. Through such type of programs, through such type of advertisements, government makes the people aware. In this way, government newspaper से भी public को aware कराने की कोशिश करता है. So government has initiated several measures to make the people aware regarding their rights. So this is awareness programs. Next point is consumers organization. In India, consumer organization is very active at present to protect the interest of consumer, to protect rights of consumer. Now, for we consumer, it is very important to join that consumers organization more and more in numbers to make the consumer organization very strong. Next point is legislative measures. Government of India has passed several acts. Okay, Government of India has passed several acts to protect the consumers. What are those acts? You can see on the screen. You would understand through all these type of acts, all consumers in India, they are protected. You can just have a look on the screen. You would understand कि कौन सा act किस चीज के लिए काम करता है. Now in this way, I have finished entire video. See student, if you are having doubt anywhere, you can again replay the video for your better understanding, and I would suggest you, while you see this video, you use headphone. You would understand that video entirely. So we have done this. Thank you for today's class.